Yeah, hi friends. I hope you are doing well. So welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss. Actually, last videos we discussed how to create material master. Okay, and so in that videos I created a one material by taking one example, and I created one materials in material master. Correct now. So I'm coming to the next. I'm going to the next and I'm same on same topic only. I'm taking one more videos in which we discuss more details about material type. Okay, so today our video is related with the material type. So coming to our material type, uh, uh, 1 minute to share my first. Okay, so we'll discuss about as I told. So for this material type, correct. So I hope you know material type, multiple material types we use generally using in our industries. So considering this industry, considering the industry, generally material types. Actually now in material master we discuss different sectors like material type. Okay, then plant industry type. So in this video, we are just discussing material type. So material type, actually, what is the material type? So material type is nothing but we can say those products which we are using. So that categorize with the certain way. Okay. So in SAP point of view, there is a certain material type defined. Correct. So first is the example we can say raw material. So in SAP, it's a coding is that ROH. ROH is nothing but raw material. So what is the raw material? So those material which we are procuring from outside. Okay, and that directly we are using in the either we are consuming against in productions or any service or activities that. So that all raw material. Obviously, raw material have its own unit of measure. It's a quantity and value both that will be required. Okay, so that main material first we can say raw material. Then second is semi-finish. So what is the semi-finish? So whatever we material procured from external side, we taking inside our industries and do certain activities. Okay, either some operations, some activities we can add on material or some add on operations. So on post that, what will be any goods will be occurred or produced. So that is an either it's a neither is a finished good or nor raw material. So in between, so those material we told semi-finished material. Okay, and SAP, the type we can say, so HALB, that is hull material. Okay, so in real industries, wherever we use semi-finished type, so either we use hull material or if we created customized or something, so we using ZHLB or something ZSF. Okay, so like that. Next material type is FERT. So FERT means nothing but it's a finished product. Okay, so those product which you are going to sell or sellable. Okay, so directly what is the final product of our organization and that we are going to sell. So that is finished product. Finished product also it's a we can say it's similar to semi-finished, but some all operations we got completed. There is a certain final value, product values. Okay, then product some routine to measure, sales, sellable, and all that will become. Same way, other material that is we can say non-stockable material, service material. Okay, some pipeline material. Okay, so now what is the non-stockable material? So non-stockable material we can say certain service where is it the where required materials or some values where we are doing only service. Correct now. So that is for example, if I am doing a service, we can say any maintenance activities. Okay, so if I doing maintenance activities, there is or other I have my what will be the product I sell, and there is a we can say that that is a warranty period. So there any activity or any service I have to do. So basically there is a certain cost, but that quantity we can say non-stock should not require for that. So non-stockable material. So like that we can say non-stockable material and NLAG is required. Correct. Same way service is there. So so like that different then some pipeline material is there. Okay, some KMAT material like that. Some other example KMAT is there. Means variant configuration they are using it. Okay, so these are common examples for a material type. Okay, and in which we are generally using in SAP. coming to what is the main type and control of, we can say, material type control. What is the control of material type? Why that's important and what is required? So first is numberage. Means either it's a means number is what is number? So number is nothing but if we are creating any code by using any material type, either raw material, semi finished, finished good, or any service material, anything. Okay. So if I'm creating material, so obviously unique code should required in system. Okay. So that unique code, either it should generate from internal SAP or external we should have to provide. Okay. So considering that if a system should internal should number and should require internal, that system number should be taken. For that, we as an initial level or configuration level, one consultant, or we can say one master team SAP, that someone should require to assign that number, define number, and then assign to your material type. So that process, we can say, that is main control, we can say, of material type. Another control is field selection. So in that field selection, what coming? So if I'm material type basis, I want to control certain fields mandatory or optional, because that basis of on applications. Okay, so either or some we can say field means in certain views that we can say for raw material that is important. Okay, for that is SFG or FG, that not required. So that concern, we can say field selection we can bifurcate on basis of material type. Another, we can say account determination. So accounting purpose, what valuations class and all required. So that purpose, where that valuation class and on defining that account determination, we can say material type and account valuations, account which valuation class will be linking. Then procurement type. So procurement type, whether I want to control a material type basis. So either if raw material, so obviously it's a procured from external. So obviously that is procurement type, we should maintain F. Okay, so what is F and all? We'll discuss. I already discussed during material master creation. If required, please comment and all. So I will be, if required, I will explain that in detail once more. Okay, so coming to then quantity and value update. So quantity and value update, as above I mentioned. So couple of materials require quantity and values. Okay, like raw material, finished goods, semi finished, they required, their quantity also we should require in the maintain the system, and same way valuations also required. So that if certain cases, as I told, non-stockable material, so non-stockable material, there is a quantity not important, only value is required. So that cases, there only value update will be that. So all these controls is possible through material type. Okay. Now I'm now taking you in the system how it's will be controlling. Will you show that we can say material type. So first, see material type where we are available. That is, if you go with MM01 transaction. So see here, we can see suppose mechanical engineering. Okay, so mechanical engineering, and here you can check material types are available. Okay, multiple material types. So on basis of we have to select which material type you want to create. Okay, so like that. So for this obviously it will be coming from configuration side. So I will be taking you to the configuration level. Okay, so I'm taking you SPRO. Okay, so I'm see here you will be get the path to how to configuration material type. Okay, so SPRO IMG, then where is that available? We can say logistic general. Okay, material master, then field selection, then material type. Okay, sorry, material master product. No, wait. 1 minute. Yeah, sorry, actually, yeah. So where we are, yeah, so we have to find the path. So SPRO, IMG, then logistic general, okay, logistic general, then material master, okay. In that we can get basic settings, here basic setting, then here material type. So here you can able to define attributes of material type, okay. Here you get all details. We can define configure material types. So this is our material type. Okay, Here you will get the position point of view, all different materials, suppose for ROH. So ROH you can select, so that is a raw material. Okay, here you can select that all details you will be get here that, as I told, what is the control. So here say field reference, purpose, what that material type is applicable. Same way, during creation, what are the views is required. So we can control from here with quantity structure. Okay, and number ranges. See, here you can say external number assignment or internal. So that also we can control from here. Okay. Some others external purchase we can say procurement purpose, that internal or external. So how we want to control with the MRP type. So that we can able to do. Okay. And moving, so what the price control, as I told, see that price control you can control from here by valuation area. So see like that. Okay, other quantity and value update purpose, you can go with here you can able to check different plant on basis of your valuation, we can say, or we can say plant. Okay, so on that you can activate different suppose I'm going with the standard plant 1710. So suppose my ROH, so here quantity and values update, correct. So that means it is a, we can say that quantity and value applicable for this material type. Okay, in this valuation area. So same way, if you go with some other examples, some other material type, like HALB. Okay, we can go with this also. So in here also you can check multiples, that field reference, some different views. If you require some difference, we can control. Okay, same like that standard price control and all. We that quantity and values update also here available. Okay, by using same, this is or on basis of, we can say, just or material type. Okay, so I hope you understood first how to create configure material type. Okay, and then how we assign different material type, different number ranges to our material. Okay, so in this video we are discussing how to, first, what is the material type, where we are using, and how to configure this material. Okay, so in this video I think that is sufficient to explain or to understood what was the material master. Okay, in next video we'll discuss how to record, how to assign this or material type with these number ranges. If my number external group is there, so we can how to link with that. So that also we discuss in next video. Okay, in upcoming video. Meanwhile, I'm requesting you, please. I mean, how which topic you want to focus earlier, so you can miss comment, and we can, if you, on basis of that I will be try to make that topic in earlier discussions. Okay, yeah. Thank you for watching this my channel.